One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. That quote by Malala Yousafzai is powerful because it champions the profound impact of human connection and education. But here's where AI fits in, not as a replacement, but as a force multiplier. One child. AI can personalize learning for that one child like never before. Struggling with math? AI can break it down visually. Gifted in language? AI can provide advanced challenges. Attention span of a fruit fly? No problem. AI adjusts the pace and style to keep things engaging. It makes one-on-one attention scalable. One teacher. AI isn't there to take the teacher's job. It's the ultimate assistant. Imagine having instant grading tools, tailored lesson plans at the click of a button, real-time feedback on student performance. It frees teachers from bureaucracy so they can do what they do best, inspire. One book. AI makes millions of books accessible, even for those who can't afford or physically access them. It can summarize complex ideas, translate into different languages, and even turn dry academic text into interactive learning experiences. Think of it as turning a book into an immersive, evolving conversation. One pen. AI supercharges that pen. A student with a basic device and an internet connection can now write, edit, translate, and publish content that reaches the world. That pen now comes with grammar correction, stylistic coaching, and idea generation, all in real time. So what's the real transformation? AI takes the same tools Malala spoke of and turbocharges them. But here's the cautionary bit. It can also widen the gap if access isn't universal or if it's misused to replace rather than empower. Just like a pen in the wrong hands can scribble lies, AI in the wrong hands can manipulate, surveil, and miseducate. Final thought. AI, when used ethically and equitably, doesn't replace Malala's quote. It fulfills it on a global scale. It becomes the quiet, invisible partner behind the child, the teacher, the book, and the pen. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, we will still need human wisdom to guide its use, because AI might light the path, but it's humans who choose the direction. Thanks for tuning in. Now go hit that subscribe button and stay curious, my friends.